Hey guys, and welcome back to the Low Poly Wolf class. In this lesson, I'll take you through how to import your found images from Google so that we can use them in Cinema 4D. So we start off in the perspective view. I'm going to click on the middle mouse button so that will bring up all four views. Click on the right view. So now that we have the right view displayed, make sure that we have attributes here. I'm going to click on mode. In fact, actually, I'm going to make sure that the back is selected here. Then I'm going to select my image, which is on the desktop. And here you'll find where your images are. I know that I said that we should have the front view as well, but for this particular course, we're just going to use the side view to model our wolf because it's quite an easy silhouette to model from. So let's just click on the side view, open it up, and it'll appear in our right view so that we can use it as a reference image for our modeling. So now that we know how to import our images into Cinema 4D, we'll now go into the next lesson where we'll learn how to actually model our low poly wolf, starting with the body. See you guys then.